Hello, kids. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. So, we are going to learn about the climate of our country. So, children, here is a mind opener. Listen properly. So, Anand says, "Oh, what a hot day." But his sister says, "Thank God we are going to Shimla tomorrow." So Anand says that oh, what a hot day it is. So but his sister says that oh, thank God tomorrow we are going to Shimla. So it is cold place there. So one person is talking about weather and other is talking about climate. So can you say who is talking about which? So one is talking about weather and another is talking about climate. So can you say who is talking about weather and who is talking about climate? Yes. So Anand is talking about weather and his sister is talking about climate. So let's see how we can say it is weather or how we can say it is a climate. So to know that we should know what is weather and what is climate. So when you say it is cold day or it is a rainy day, you are talking about the weather. So when you say it is a cold today or it is rainy day, we are talking about what? As we are talking about weather. So weather refer to how hot and how cold, or rainy, or windy, or cloudy it is in a particular place at a particular time. So weather means it will remain for a particular day or it is remaining for the particular time. It will not extend for a long year or long day. So weather refers to how cold and hot or rainy, windy or cloudy it is. So it is for the particular place or particular time. So weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. So today might be cold and rainy day in our city, but tomorrow might be bright and sunny. So weather can change from day to day and even from hour to hour. So Anand is talking about is weather and sister is talking about climate. So yeah, but when you say it is very cold in Imadri or coastal plains or warm and humid, you're talking about the climate. So, the climate refers to weather condition of a large area taken over a long period of time. So, this climate will remain for a long period of time. For example, it is very cold in Imadri or in the coastal plains or warm and it is humid. So, climate refers to average weather condition of place over a long period of time. So climate will be there for a long period of time. The climate in Himalayan range, it is very cold. So it is very cold during most months of the year in Himalayan range. So the climate in and around this Chennai is warm and humid. So it is warm and this hot. So whereas it is hot and dry in the Thar desert. So it is so climate means it will remain for a long period of time, but weather will be there for only for few days or particular time. So now I think now you got the difference between the weather and climate. So now let us learn about the climate of a place. So, how the climate of a place will depend. So, the climate of a place mainly depends on the following. So the different places in the world have different types of climate, right? So in Himalayan range it is cold. So in Chennai it is warm and humid. Whereas in Thar desert it is hot and dry. So different place in the world have different types of climate. So the climate of a place will affect the people living there also. So the climate of the place will affect the people's clothing. So if the place is very cold, they wear the woolen clothes. So if the place is very hot, they wear the different types of clothes, right? Yes. So the clothes they wear and the food they eat also will depend on the climate of the place. Then let us learn about the factors which determine the climate of a place. So first is how far away it is from the equator. The climate of the place mainly depend on the following. So first is how far away it is from the equator. So it is a equator. This is a latitude line. So it is a climate zone of the earth. So this middle line is a equator. So it will divide the north pole and the south pole. So about this you are going to learn in other classes. So this is a equator. So the climate of the place will depend on the how far from the equator. So here you can see the sun rays will fall directly to the equator, but to the north and south it is slanting to the poles. To the north pole and the south pole it is slanting. So this is the sun rays. So sun rays will get directly to the equator. So the places coming near the equator will have the hot climate, but the places near the poles, near the north pole and the near the south pole, will have the cold region. So the farther away a place is from the equator, the colder it is expected to be. So the far away from the equator places will have cold climate. So the north part of India is cooler than South India. So the north part of India will have the cool because the sun rays will fall vertical, but south place will have the hot climate because the sun rays will fall directly to the south of the India. Next factor which will determine the climate of a place is how high it is. So the higher a place, the cooler it is. For example, the higher you go in the Himalayas, the cooler it becomes. So if you go to the higher places, the places will be cooler. So for example, when you travel to Madikeri, from Virajpet to Madikeri, the Virajpet will be little hot, but when you reach to Madikeri you will cold because it is higher than the Virajpet. So the higher a place, the colder it is. So the for example, when you go to Himalayas it is cooler. Okay, so next factor which will determine the climate of a place is how high it is. How high the place it is. If the place it is high, it is cooler climate. So next factor which will determine the climate of the place is how far it is from the sea. So the wind from the sea affect the climate of the place. The coastal plains are neither too hot nor too cold because of the breeze from the sea. So the another factor which determine the climate of a place is the how far it is from the sea. The place the place is far from the sea. So the wind which will come from the sea will affect the climate of the place. For example, the coastal plain is neither too hot because the places which is near the ocean or sea, it is not too hot or nor cold because of the breeze from the sea, because of the breeze which is getting from the sea. So the plant and animal life found in the places and the food that people eat and what they wear will depend on the climate of the place.